Hello Spartans! Today we'll be going over the process to get your Spartan Pass ID card. First, we'll start off on the MiraCosta.edu homepage. Then we'll go over to the Student Resource tab, scroll down to Get Involved, which will take us to our Student Life and Leadership homepage. You're welcome to check out our other video, which goes over all of the resources and information that our Student Life and Leadership homepage has to offer. Today we'll be going to the left-hand side and going down to the Spartan Pass ID Card tab. You'll see here at the top that we have links for instructions and links to the forms to get your Spartan Passes. There's also a list of all of our active discounts. This list gets updated often, and you can find all information regarding to how to get the discount for that particular item or service. This particular tutorial is going to focus on how to get a student Spartan Pass. So we will click the Request Your Spartan Pass /Nursing ID Card link, which will take us to a form in Engage. You will be asked to log into Engage using your SURF ID number and password. Once we are logged in, we will have the option to choose whether we would like to fill out the form in English or in Spanish. This next option is whether we need a whole new ID card or if we are just requesting the new term sticker. Each semester, students are required to pay an additional $6 for an updated Spartan Pass. Notice at the top in yellow, your request will be denied if you have not paid for your Spartan Pass or nursing ID card. You can pay for your Spartan Pass ID card by logging into your SURF account. Go to MCC CashNet Payment, Financial Account Title, CashNet, and add fees to buy ID card. Your $6 contributes to scholarships for the Chariot newspaper, as well as programming for the Associated Student Government, so it goes back to you, Spartans. Now we'll choose which pass we are requesting. For this tutorial, we will just be requesting a regular Spartan Pass. Nursing students, please select the correct nursing Spartan Pass. If you have any questions, please contact sll@MiraCosta.edu. Now that we've chosen the correct pass, we will go through and finish filling out this form, starting with our student ID number. Next, we will upload a picture of ourselves. Please make sure you're following all the directions outlined in these bullets. Next, we will upload proof of identification. If you do not have a driver's license, state-issued ID, or passport, there are alternative forms of identification, such as a high school ID card, Costco card with a picture, bank or credit card with a picture, or even an international ID. If you have questions, please email us. Although it is not required to finish this form, it will expedite the process if you upload a receipt or proof of payment. To finish off this form, please make sure you've marked the box that you authorize MiraCosta College's Student Life and Leadership Office to mail your Spartan Pass to the mailing address you have on file. Afterwards, click Next. Here's an option to review your submission. Click Submit when you're all done, and leave comments down below if you would like to schedule a pick a time or have any questions. If you are a student who is just renewing your term sticker, select that option at the beginning and click Next. Please make sure that you review all the information at the top, then enter your SURF or student ID number, and upload a proof of payment or receipt to expedite the process. You'll also have the option to review your submission before clicking Submit. Thank you for supporting our students through the Spartan Pass program. Check out other organizations and events happening by going to the homepage of MiraCosta.edu/engage. And please reach out if you have any questions.